Right, today we are going to have a crack at making a bookshelf caddy thing. It's for a friend's son who loves his books and he needs something to hold them all in his room. So we're just going to make like a little box shelf caddy thing, and we'll give it a crack. Let's do it. Right, so that's the idea of what we're going to do. Make a small box crate thing, have them come up quite nice like that. I'll make some squared legs on it and hopefully it'll come out alright. I'll trim it up a bit, make it a bit prettier, and I think we should get a pretty nice grain out of this. It's pretty old shelving stuff I picked up from somewhere, so hopefully it comes out alright. Let's do it. Right, so that's the box made up. I think it came along pretty well. And I am just doing my mitres now for the legs. There we go. First ever mitre. Pretty happy how they came out. The glue's still setting on those, so once that's done we'll give them a sand, chuck them on, and we'll see how it all goes, how it all looks. Less than ideal mitres, to be honest. I'm not sure if that's a poor glue up or probably poor glue up, to be honest. But pretty rough, so I'll see what I can do to fix that up. That mitre is less than ideal. So what we do is we take some glue, and we press it in. So we press it into the join there, trying to get as little on the actual wood as possible. Okay. Now I should just do a little bit more just on the tip there. So, right, I'm going to take a good sized screwdriver and we just dent that wood into it. So just press it in, and then the same on the other side. Moderate pressure, nothing too silly. And then, that's looking pretty good. We take, this is 80 grit, and then we sand it. Gums up the paper real quick, but it gums up the paper real quick. But now you can see perfect. She's all finished now. Pretty happy with it. I put that beautiful grain wood on the back of it, unfortunately, because this piece has a few imperfections that I couldn't really get out of it too well. But never mind. Good project. Came out well. Those mitres came out splendid. Definitely happy. I hope they will be too. Cheers.